Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use data during a phone call. Many modern smartphones leverage advanced technologies to keep you connected. We'll explore how your device can manage both voice and internet activities simultaneously, ensuring you stay productive. This capability is crucial for tasks like looking up information or sending a quick message while speaking with someone, making your calls much more efficient and versatile. Let's dive into the details. To effectively use data during a call, two key technologies are Voice over LTE, or VoLTE, and Wi-Fi calling. VoLTE allows your phone to transmit voice as data over the 4G or 5G network, enabling you to browse the web or use apps without interrupting your conversation. Wi-Fi calling, on the other hand, routes your calls through a Wi-Fi network, which is especially useful in areas with poor cellular reception, often providing clearer audio quality. The primary benefits of using data during calls include significantly improved audio clarity, often referred to as high-definition voice, and the ability to multitask. Imagine needing to quickly confirm an address or check a website while speaking. These features make it effortless. However, it's important to monitor your data consumption. While voice calls themselves use minimal data, simultaneous browsing or video streaming will contribute to your overall usage, so keep an eye on your plan. To optimize your data usage while on calls, always prioritize connecting to a secure Wi-Fi network. This significantly reduces reliance on your mobile data plan. Regularly check your phone's data usage statistics, typically found in your settings under Network and Internet or Connections, to understand your consumption patterns. If you find yourself frequently exceeding your data limits, consider adjusting individual app settings to prevent them from using background data during active calls, helping you stay within your monthly allowance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.